Okay, it's Thanksgiving, and you would think since it's Thanksgiving people would be cooking, eating chips, drinking, whatever. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning, no turkey in, nothing is being done here. JR's not here, he's out gallivanting all over town, and we're going to go over here and see what Mackle is doing. Oh yeah, see what Mackle's thankful for this Thanksgiving. Xbox Live. Weirdo. And then we got Christian in here. Oh, cussing. Ooh. Oh, you just cussed. I'm recording, honey. Okay.
Oh yeah, I came into her driveway blasting music. She got mad.
Alright, so here we are. We got JR doing what he does best, which is nothing and being on the computer.
Yeah, what's up, nigga?
We got my mom here, scarfing on the
Cowboys? Seriously?
little appetizers here. Got Tommy looking like a freak.
Here, get Mike. And what's his name?